Yo.
How you doing, Shorty?
Hold on.
Nigga said, I missed you.
You been cooling, huh?
Call me. Yeah.
You been cooling? Put my camera free.
It's 4. I'm not about to be
Fold.
I ain't about to put my shit on.
Big folds. Fold.
But I can't create food. Let's see food, bro.
All that baby seafood.
Close. You're in the camera.
Whoa, what's going on? Sounds cold. Happy birthday, brother. Happy birthday, man. I'm in the city with my guy. Turn it up. How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
I'm Teddy.
T-E-L-L-Y. Teddy. Yeah. That was y'all.
Oh, you like the coat. I didn't even realize you had the coat. Thank God.
Telly.
I'm about to get my tattoo.
Free. It's my people, you know, but my
It's
people.
good, man.
It's family.
Only the fam, only the gang.
Family.
This the nice one and it's the mean one. But he's nice now that we older.
No, you gotta flip it. You gotta flip it. Go ahead.
Oh no, he is the nice one. He is the mean one. No, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. This how he was doing this.
Let them know, son.
Alright, so this is the punishment. It says everybody have a birthday now.
He said, oh, that's that. I wish we had some. What?
Everybody got a
DoorDash McDonald's or something? Yes. I mean, no. Beef so let's go on bourbon.
Bro, they gonna be so good at this.
Everybody bourbon Nyla.
Especially her. That's what it said. Everybody birthday now, and Nala has to drink the rest of her drink.
Everyone has to burp at me?
You gotta take a maximum penalty and they burping at you. They burping at you.
I have to drink while they burp at me?
Yeah. That's what
Alright, burp at them.
I did.
Alright, I don't have anything.
Oh, you gonna get burped?
I don't know how to burp.
Never learned this.
It said everybody.
Slide.
Three of them. It's not.
Alright, y'all, I got a question.
What up?
It says the person who's fucked the oldest person can give out 3 penalties.
Ooh, I think I probably fucked the oldest person. Who is it? Who got it?
They talking crazy.
No, she need to give out 3 penalties. Good job, Reese. Sarah was knocked out. So wow,
Piece to cut off, and then you ain't get mad and shit.
Paul said he knocked out somebody else 35 times. Okay.
Alright, so you get to give out 3 shots. You get to make 3 people drink.
Oh no, I got this question last time. No.
It's only 2 of them. Hey, what was it?
What's the penalty?
Yeah, I added it to the game.
What is the penalty? Well, what's the penalty? You cannot possibly. No. Stop. You are gonna learn today.
Is this the one that's saying 2 countries?
Sure.
Todd, this the one that says the name of 2 countries that border America? Name country that border. Yeah. However many you the name, you know that many drinks. Nah, that shit was wild.
Come on, that Andrew, bro.
What you said?
Well, I cheat.
Telly, if your feet are smaller than Nyla's, take a penalty. If not, give out 3.
Where's Nyla?
Alright, tell her what size shoe you got.
Alright, who is Nyla?
You already know this is right? Come on now. Unless Nyla.
Nyla,
Big
here.
ass.
You gotta compare feet to Telly.
Yeah, man, my feet bigger than hers,
Yes,
son.
you have small feet.
Yeah. My shit bigger than yours.
Alright.
Your feet are bigger. Take your feet off. Take your shoes off.
Stop.
Okay.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Playing.
Alright, so Telly, you get to give out 3 shots. Whoever you want to drink a
She's taking
shot.
the first one.
She got
Give out 2 more.
Alright. You gotta take one, son.
Alright, man.
Alright. And you can take one. I'm gonna let you take that wait for you.
Got crown right here.
Okay,
Y'all think
Gabe,
this?
things you usually
Y'all
wipe
think
come up with. If you
I'll drink
repeat
it.
or can't think of one, take 4 penalties. They're not even listening. Natalie, you start.
Okay, you start.
They got more cups.
Things that you use to what?
Wipe up cum. Aaron.
Things you use to wipe up cum.
Don't repeat.
What have y'all said?
You can't tell you.
You can't know you got.
Stop.
I did that. That's the first one.
Alright, alright.
You got a
Like,
drink.
nah, a compliment. Whatever, a t-shirt.
Your tongue. You got a drink.
Now you said it.
Your tongue.
Hey, you got to drink 4 times.
I'm crazy. Where you going? Why are y'all's drinks so dark? What are you drinking?
That's cool. Yeah, I just took a shot of this. What y'all drinking? What you drinking?
Black cherry honey.
Y'all want a shot? They just opened this bottle. Y'all don't
No,
want
nothing dark.
Alright, so
Damn, they said that too. They said that they was like, nah, get a dark and a light. I'm like, man, fuck it, just get both of them. And he told me that. He said get a light. I thought it was gonna already have light for y'all. That's
What we
crazy.
do?
I got tequila.
They have
They
tequila
got
over
to
there.
Alright,
Yeah.
oh, we good.
you gonna just sip on it. So how we playing is, if you get a regular penalty, it's just a sip. If you get an ultimate penalty, you gotta drink the
If
rest
that
of
bitch
it.
say maximum, you gotta finish your drink.
Oh,
So-
shit.
Everyone vote at once.
But what's in your cup? Like, what's
It don't matter what it is. He taking that into consideration how much you want pour.
Yeah, I ain't even poured yet.
Pour a couple of
I
drinks.
just had to think about it.
He said if I get the
Like,
maximum,
hold
I'm
on,
pouring.
touch.
Store vodka.
Alright, y'all
I
ready?
was mixing it.
Oh, we're voting.
Yeah, we can vote now. If you rather split the vodka, you gonna raise your hand. If you rather take a shot of the hot sauce, you gonna keep your hand down. Alright. Whoever lose, y'all gotta take 3 drinks. 3 gulps or whatever y'all doing.
Man, we about to come over there. So we can get everybody around like you ain't gotta. About to get rid of that nigga.
Y'all ready?
Yeah,
I got this one.
Alright, so 1, whoever, if you rather do.
come here. You want to pick up this? Well, someone took my chair.
It's cause she a lover.
I gotta be all in there. I've been. Smooth. I see roll me out.
I need a little bit.
Nigga said you don't want to drink. He said, yeah. Alright, give out 2 drinks.
Freedom and bro.
You're calling D.
Here you go, Pete.
Please call him up.
Right there.
I'm keep going right now. You time out. Paul already in the hood with one of them bitches.
Oh, not telling us, bitch. Oh, telling the grand.
Alright, this is your rap groups.
You shitting yourself in
You gonna
the
start
face?
with
I don't do like a
Oh,
whole.
rap group. All right, come on, y'all. Rap group. You got 5 seconds to say a rap group
We're gonna
name.
be rap groups. We're gonna start with Kobe. We're gonna go all the way around the
That
room.
shit ain't
If
even.
you repeat it, you can't think of a rap group. You gotta drink.
Rap group. Nigga.
A rap group. I don't know rap group. Go ahead, start off.
Jonas Brothers.
What? Come on, Paul. You ain't that slow.
Ain't no
All I do is just say one.
Y'all better say the Eagles.
Man, nigga, what I know you were saying rap group.
Y'all gonna say City Girls. Y'all gonna say.
You could have said City Girls.
I was gonna say Modest Behavior. And my girl, she loves me.
Shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so you put your keys in.
I guess outside the fucking Vegas on this shit.
Oh shit, come on, son.
I'm done.
Please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit stairway. Do not use the elevator. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention?
They say we can't use the elevator.
Period.
Game. We in here, I took pooling with the guys. Man, I done took the people glass out the damn thing, son.
Tight shit.
Tripping.
Got your drink in here, it's yours.
Fuck it. Another shot. Fuck it. Fuck it. They didn't woke us up.
Why they do this like that?
Man, where my guy at? Man, stay good. Why they about to fuck around thinking the folk pranking on that shit? Is it back? Is it alright?
Say, touch you better come back in there.
What you mean? Everybody keeps saying they think so. I need
It
to
stopped.
know.
Yeah, facts. Man, if they about to go back in that bit, nigga about to go. I got no more space for this motherfucker.
Next time, take me, you and Barry Paul, make sure you got some bitches over there.
Back to you, Charles.
Because he don't like nothing with bitches. Who?
All kind of tired. What about your attention?
That nigga.
Oh, the camera rolling?
Tight shimmy.
Give me the camera. Is the camera rolling?
It might be rolling right now.
That bitch not rolling.
Yeah, it's rolling tight shit.
What's up? Is it?
Yeah,
It's
we ain't here.
It's freedom. We in
Tight
the
shit.
I'm with Yang. We about to turn up. We kind of like turned down a little bit, but you know. We're gonna 360.
Shit happens.
We in this bitch. Yay shit.
What you drink? You gonna sip it? No.
That's what I'm saying. I'm really with that. He knows my body for real. Like, I be like, my shit be too high. Like, next shit, next time, yeah. But it be too high. That's what I'm saying. I be pushing that.
Hey, yo, shit, $5, son. It's $5.
This y'all shit?
This on my go down with some we had a proper tape called Cycle.
What's y'all shit called? What's y'all brand?
It's called
Young and you?
Gay Clothing for short. Snap free. I'm not sure. I'm not call you so you can let me look like a model before. This is.
No, that would be awesome.
I have like say look, I can pick one up and y'all both have a pop up right here. And this garage right here.
For sure.
I can't fuck with that so he can Joe City even more. I ain't gonna try.